What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Whetu. I pulled out 3 sneakers today that I'm actually going to get Ash to have a look at. All completely different in their own right. So I'm just going to try and get Ash's opinion on a couple of sneakers I have. Okay, so before we get into it, we're going to go for a heat check. So Ash, what are you wearing?
Just my Gucci sneakers.
How'd you get those?
Present from Whetu, anniversary. Yeah. So anniversary. I pretty much wear them once, twice a week, maybe more. So yeah, definitely worth it.
The best present I've ever got you.
Yeah, I'm already counting down until I get my second pair.
We'll see. I still need a pair, but I don't think I'd wear them that much, like for how much they are. But then again,
they're a tight fit, and I've got like a really narrow foot, so I think like that's why I wear it so much. Is that they don't make my feet look bulky and big.
Yeah. All right, and then I've got on Air Max 1 OGs. What do you think of these?
Yeah, I like them. I don't know. Like, I reckon there's sometimes shoes look good on you, but then if I was, because like I'm pretty tall and I have a size 7.5, 8 foot.
Which means they'll look cute as hell on your little feet.
I just don't want anything to look bulky. I'd have to try them on before I commit.
And we'll, hopefully, if they drop these on women's size, we'll try and make that happen.
Yeah, well, what's that, like a 6 in men's or something?
6.5, yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Alright, first we'll get into, start on that side, you probably already know what it is. We'll start on this.
I know, you've got 2 pairs of these.
Yeah, no, we'll start on this end because we'll end on a happy note.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one's up, we've got Nike SB High Dunk Premium Brainwork. When did these come out? 2000, no, they come 2004. I don't know, it's about 09 I think these came out. These are sick. I don't know if you like them, but tell me what your thoughts are on these.
I don't hate them, but I don't like them either. I think the style's cool. The colours are kind of cool. They all sort of go, but it'd just be hard with an outfit.
Yeah, see, I love these, but I hate them in an outfit.
Yeah, like I think they look nice.
Like
not on.
Like feel like toe box. Like it is such a nice shoe, and then like at the back it's got brain rack.
Yeah, and at first I was like, that's like bright pink, bright blue, but it all matches and goes.
Yeah, and then like see the inside, you've got like the brain stitching.
Oh yeah.
And then like on the midsole it had
brains.
all artwork. Yeah. Like
yeah, no, that's cool.
Yeah, it's a sick shoe.
I don't know, it'd just be, you'd have to really work on an outfit for it.
Yeah, I think I only wore these once, but I don't think I ever wore them again. But I don't know, that tongue.
Yeah, so thing. I reckon that's a cool shoe.
Yeah, it's sick, but yeah, it's so hard to wear. Okay, next up, Air Jordan. Do you know what number this is? Air Jordan 3. No, this is the 3 box.
What do you mean? Oh.
This is the Air Jordan 3 box. These are the black cement 3s. Tell me what you think of these.
Don't you have a few pairs of these?
Yeah, actually I've got like... No, yeah, I've got like a black and blue pair. So it's similar. But this is like...
Are these new?
Yeah. Yeah, remember I got these around the same time you got me my bread ones.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think of the black cement 3?
Yeah, I think they're cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't believe I don't wear these. I don't know, they're just so chunky at the moment, but these are the sickest shoe ever.
They seem like really comfy in that, and yeah, they look like they'd be able to like match with any outfit.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, they're cool. I like them.
Yeah. No, and especially they brought like the Nike Air on the back, like that hasn't been on this shoe since 2001. Was the last time they brought out this shoe with Nike Air on the back, so that was a big thing too. But yeah, no, I fucking love this sneaker. Okay, so now we'll get on to the next shoe. Okay, if you want to pop that open. It's an Air Max 270, it's my new colorway.
You're wearing these today.
And I wore these out onto a farm today. I don't even know what I don't know anything about the shoe, but it's sick.
I've got a pair. Yeah. So of course I'm going to say yes to these. This is my favourite blue.
Yeah, it's nice.
And it's sick with like the neon orange. And I've got like the purple pair.
Yeah, it's like a
like a light purple and a dark purple.
Lavender. Yeah,
Lavender.
You'd call it lavender.
Yeah. Yeah, no, they're sick shoes. Like they were a little bit awkward to get used to, but
yeah, no, I found my first pair was really weird when like I stepped in them a bit. Like when you lean back on it felt real weird, but since these ones, like I haven't noticed it at all.
Yeah.
I think because I've just gotten used to it.
Them.
Yeah.
I actually like all the shoes. I thought you would have got a pair that like I wouldn't have liked.
I didn't think you'd like these.
Oh really? No, you showed me them before and I was like a little bit keen.
Yeah, no, I thought this would be...
I wouldn't get them, but they're cool.
Yeah. You know, these...
I mean, you've got plenty of shoes that I don't like.
Listen to her. I don't know.
Yeah. But yeah, these would be my favourite just because like I don't really have like sneakers. Like I've only got a couple of like, well not like actual trainers that I go to the gym in. Everything I have is
everything you have is like a runner.
Yeah.
These are like skate shoes and then the basketball shoes.
Yeah, like I've got a few pairs of Vans and
your Puma Clydes.
Cortez, like all those sort of things. But yeah, they're mainly runners, so I'd probably definitely get that. Third.
Yeah, that's I'd probably go. Mine would probably be first, second, third. Hey, even though I'd probably wear those more than these two, I think these, just for what they are, would be number one. And then these, like, you'll never see anything like that again.
Yeah. So why did they do the brains?
I don't know. It was just like a quick strike. Just like I think some artist must have done it. But there's just the concept of brain rack. Like you can with grey laces on it, but I thought the bubblegum blue like just matches with the tongue and that.
Yeah. Oh really? That's like
Yeah, that's why I put the blue in. So
did they come with blue?
Yeah.
Did you get
No, that was the set. Yeah, this was the second set of laces.
Yeah, no, I can blue definitely.
Yeah, the grey would just look like hella.
Basic.
Yeah, whereas the blue kind of made it pop. But yeah.
There's some shoes that you should let me review.
Yeah, like what? What have you got something to say on?
Them Saved by the Bell shoes.
What's Saved by the Bell shoes?
Them dad shoes that I hate.
Oh, those ones.
Is that them?
It's one of them.
What is that?
Like all these kind of shoes.
These, like I know they're pretty comfy and they look like they'd be sick shoes, but they're such a dad shoe, and they're such a Saved by the Bell.
That one's cool.
Shoe, like you should be wearing.
I'm gonna wear these when I get a job at a high school as a PE teacher. But that's what that kind of
So
shoe.
you can wear short cargo shorts with it.
Yeah,
and a polo.
These are classics, but you can't knock that. Like 93 this came out, I think. No, did it? Yeah, 93 that came out. Ash is all about dad crabs.
I am not all about that at all.
Alright guys, well that concludes another video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the like button, and ring the notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when we post next. Alright Ash, thanks for doing the video.
Thanks for having me.
That's all good. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.